Hello everyone, my name is Grace Daniel. I'm the school counselor for Cambridge International School, Co-Ed Jalandhar. It's a pleasure to be able to connect to you in this manner. I want to ask you, how are you all during this lockdown? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I'm sure आप ठीक हैं, अपने घरों में safe हैं, you're happy and healthy and safe at your homes. But I guess if I ask your parents, how are the children doing? I will hear a variety of expressions, especially your mummies. If I ask them how are they, oh ये उठता नहीं है, ये नहीं करती, ये वो नहीं करती, ये अपना बेड नहीं बनाते, टाइम पे खाना नहीं खाते, मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हैं. And if I ask you, there will be a different reaction. मम्मी टाइम पे सोने नहीं देती है, मम्मी ये नहीं करने देती है, हमारा टीवी बंद कर देती है. We are all going through a turmoil. We are all going through this period of lockdown, which is quite stressful for us and for you, and we really understand it. If you look at the news, there's so much on the news. We cannot take it overly seriously, otherwise we'll go into depression. We cannot take it casually, because if it was so simple, the whole world would not be under a lockdown. At the same time, we need to understand, within this chaos, where should I focus? Where do I put my attention into? How do I manage everything? And my dear, I want to tell you, focus on that what you can manage, that you can change, not on something that you cannot. So today there are five things which I want to share with you on which you can focus. So the first thing that I want to share with you is focus on your mind. You need to bring your attention upon your mind. You need to focus on how your mind is. How is your intellectual thing going on? How is everything going on in your mind? Is everything stable? Or are you very upset? Are you very agitated? How is it? You need to be at peace in your mind, because your mental health matters a lot. You might have had desires and dreams. I will join that university. That is a post I'm aiming for. I want to be an IPS officer. I want to be a scientist. Are you still focused? It's very important. Ask yourself. Because this pandemic, this lockdown is not going to be forever. It will change. Things will go back to normal. It might take time, but it will go back to normal. Those things are yet to happen. The plans that you have for future, don't lose focus of it. It is very important. Are you happy within yourself? Is your mind focused on happy things? I was just reading a quote, and I really liked what the quote said. It said that happiness is not a destination. Happiness is a direction. It's a choice that we make every day. I'm going to be at peace in my mind. I'm going to be happy. Whatever situations happen, it's okay with me. I'm going to be happy. When you do that, your mind will be at peace. The other thing is, are you mindful? You will ask me, graceful suna hai, joyful suna hai, grateful suna hai. What is mindful? I like the word mindful. It means that it is a psychological process. Being mindful is a psychological process of purposely bringing your attention and experiences what is occurring at the moment without being judgmental. You're not judging what is happening. ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ये वैसा क्यों हो रहा है, ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, उसने ऐसे क्यों किया, इसने ऐसे क्यों किया. You're understanding their situation also. You're being mindful. And at this pandemic, when everybody are going through that same stress, it will be very nice if we can be a little mindful. So our mind will also be at peace. Another thing I want to say is, we need to take control of our mind. Because when we take control of our mind, we will be able to take control of our life. Right now, you might be facing this problem. I don't know how many of you, but definitely there are people who are facing this problem with phone. Parents are saying, ये phone पे लगे रहते हैं, ये PUBG खेलते रहते हैं, ये serials देखते रहते हैं. This all is going on. Why do your parents, grandparents have to continue nagging at you or continue scolding at you? And there are times when things go out of hand. Either your phone is taken away or your data pack is not recharged. All those things. Why is all this happening? You are responsible for your own life. Take that self-responsibility. It's my life. I know what I have to do. You know when they intervene. When you're so lost into your game or your serial or whatever you're doing that you forget what's happening around. You're so much into that virtual world that you get disconnected from the natural world. You forget where you are. You forget it's time to eat. You forget what you have to do. You're just into that virtual world, which is actually taking you nowhere. So I want to encourage you, my dear students, focus. Let your mind be focused. Focus on the right things. Even these things of entertainment are important, but how much time are you spending on them is very important. You know, one thing that we need to understand is that the world is switched on to this digital age. There's a sudden jump. You know those car racing movies, if you see, on the turbo engine they put the knocks, and what happens? The engine just rushes forward. In a way, that's what happened to our educational system. That's what we are going to rush into a different phase. It's completely different. Even the educational system, Zoom classes, webinars, everything has changed. Are we prepared for it? We need our mind to be focused. We need to think what we are doing, whether we are doing it right. We need to make a choice to be happy, to be at peace. We need to make a choice to be optimistic. So we saw it's very important to focus on your mind. That's the first thing. The second thing is you need to focus on your heart. Your heart is the bed for all your emotions. If I ask you in a funny way, what kind of chameleon are you these days? Are you always angry, frustrated, that angry the moment you are told anything, you just blast off like a volcano? Are you always in that frustrated, irritable mode? Or are you always upset, feeling bad, feeling like crying, not very happy, fighting in the family, all these turmoils, ups and downs going on? We need to take control of our heart. We need to take control of our emotions. A very beautiful emotion is love. At this time, when you're in your family, love everybody around. Smile, be happy. As I said, happiness is not a destination. It is a decision you make every single day. I will be positive today. I will be happy today. It's okay if I get irritated with little things. कोई बात नहीं, मैं खुश रहूँगी. It's a choice you make. So the first thing was focus on your mind. The second thing is focus on your heart. And the third thing is focus on your body. One of the biggest garbar that this lockdown has done is with our routines, our time schedules. Everything is in a mess. I don't know is it with you or not, but so many of us, breakfast, lunchtime has become breakfast time, snack time has become lunch time, dinner is taken, then we snack late night, we don't sleep. Oh, don't ask about sleep schedules. Day has become night and night has become day. Whole night we are up, able to use the phones. But what is it doing to us? My dear, let me remind you, it's 65 over days of lockdown. And as the word goes around, it takes 21 days to build a habit. Just think for a moment, how many bad habits has your body imbibed? It's time we take control, we change ourselves, because we need to focus on our body. You need to do physical exercise. You're youngsters, you're growing, your body needs that movement. It's okay if you cannot go out. There are things you can do at home. You might be a sportsman. Practice at home or in the park or wherever you can. Don't just leave it. Your body needs to be taken care of. Your diet matters. अब तो घर का खाना ही खाना पड़ेगा. But time, you have to be in time. You have to make a routine yourself. Let me tell you one thing. Routine is not for your parents. Routine is not for the school. Although we do try to bring in this routine in your life, but you have to make a routine for yourself, for your betterment, for your improvement, for you to be able to work to your full potential. This body, it's like a machine. When it stays in a system, it works better. So please, I encourage you, make a routine for yourself. Initially, it might be difficult to follow, but it's not impossible. You have to take control of your mind, your heart, your body. It's very important for you. Another thing that I would like to bring to your notice is the fourth, you have to focus on your talents. What are talents? Some of you may say, I don't have any talents. Each one of us is definitely blessed with something that you're good at. Either you have not discovered it, or many of you know what your talent is. Work on your talents. I really like this quote. I read it somewhere. It says that a fisherman, when they are not at the sea, they sit and mend their nets. What does that mending nets mean? That means whatever they have, their way, the thing that they are working with, they repair it. Because with time and pressure, things wear and tear off. It's the same with our life. Maybe during school days, you were so busy studying, going to school in that schedule, and मन करता था एक छुट्टी मिल जाए, हफ्ते की एक छुट्टी हो जाए, एक वीकेंड ऑफ मिल जाए completely. You have so many days off now. Make use of it. If you knew you were good at something and now you've completely forgotten it, pick it up, start doing it again. I started painting after grade 12 and I really took up on it pretty well. You can find something that you were good at during your childhood, during your junior classes, and go on with it. Pick up things, learn new things. You must have heard about the theory of intelligence. There are different areas, they say. Okay, some people are good in linguistics, some are good in logical thinking, some are good in they have this naturalistic intelligence. There are different areas that you're good at. One day I will definitely elaborate it to you. But there are things that you're not good at also. Why not take this time to develop those things which you know you're not good at? I'm not good at maths. Why don't I take a chance? I take extra time to work upon it. Or I may not be very good at computers. Or I may not be very good at creative skills. Or I may not be very good at sports. Why not take this time to develop yourself? To, upgrade yourself. Even in subjects. You might be scoring very well in one particular subject or two subjects. But there will definitely be things you know in your heart, if you work upon it, you can do better. Take this time, invest in yourself, upgrade yourself. So there are 4 things I've shared with you till now. Focus on your mind, focus on your heart, focus on your body, focus on your talent. And the last and the 5th thing, focus on your family. Right now, staying at home for all these days, your family might have got on your nerves. हो सकता है आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा हो मम्मी पे, भाई पे, बहन पे, joint family में, relatives पे. But I'll tell you, your family is the one who will always be there for you. Focus on your family, especially if you have grandparents. I'll tell you something, they were not always old. वो हमेशा ऐसे बूढ़े नहीं थे. I'll share one incident with you. When I was in college, I had to stay with one of my friend's grandmother. For some incident, the family had to go out. And मैं यही सोचती रही, मैं आंटी के साथ पूरी रात कैसे बिताऊंगी, मैं सो जाऊंगी, मैं शाम को उनसे क्या बात करूंगी. I was so worried and there were so many things in my mind. But when I met auntie, I started talking to her and I got to know this auntie who's so old, जो अपनी कुर्सी से भी ठीक से नहीं उठ सकती. She was a member of the Indian hockey team, the first Indian hockey team. And she was, I was so shocked to know things about her. She told me so many things that she has done in her life, so many things that have happened. Know your grandparents, know your parents. Right now their focus is all on building you up. अपने बच्चों को आगे लाना, उनके लिए सब कुछ करना. आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का सारा यही फोकस है अभी. मगर एक टाइम था जब वो आपकी तरह थे. वो कैसे रहते थे, क्या करते थे? Talk to them, get to know them more. थोड़ा काम कर लो घर पे. Help out a little. A helping hand will not hurt. Be a gardener for your home. Be your home's interior designer. Be a chef. Learn things. Focus on your family. Your family matters a lot. So my dear students, I know you've gone through a lot. I know there may be times when you really get upset. And if you get upset, you feel you want to talk to someone, you're most welcome to talk to me. My number will be here. You're most welcome to call me or ask your parents to contact me. We can talk it out. But there are these 5 things I want you to focus for. Because if you focus on these 5 things, I'm sure you will come out victorious, overcoming this situation. So what are the 5 things? Focus on your mind. Focus on your heart. Focus on your body. Focus on your talents. And the 5th thing, focus on your family. Your life is important. You are very precious to each one of us. Have a blessed time. God bless you.